Hey there, is your Ontario workplace reopening this fall and you're trying to figure out the legal requirements to bring back your team in a smooth, legally compliant, and cost-effective way? I'm Lisa Stam, one of the lawyers at SpringLaw, a virtual employment law firm here in Ontario. Our employer clients have been asking a ton of questions around reopening their office, around all the rules and legal risks, around bringing their team back, mandatory vaccine policy, safety plans, and how to make it all happen in a smooth, cost-effective, and legally compliant manner. Our legal team has gathered the most frequently asked questions and put together a budget-friendly DIY kit for small employers called OMG The Office is Reopening. This DIY toolkit is written by experienced Ontario employment lawyers, the lawyers on our team, and it contains 10 templates and checklists to reopen and bring back your team in person, 6 guides with all your tricky COVID-19 workplace law questions, and 4 legal templates to get you up to date after a year of super rapid case law changes. Come visit us at springlaw.ca and you can purchase and download your toolkit any time of the day on your schedule, maybe from your dock, in your Muskoka chair, in your final days of your remote office. If you're not one of the over 1,000 employers that have downloaded our free COVID-19 guide for employers during the pandemic, feel free to come to our website, springlaw.ca, and you can get your free copy. If you need more one-on-one legal help to reopen, just email us at info@springlaw.ca, and we're happy to get the conversation going with you. And good luck with your office reopen. It's finally here.